Did you know there's a hummingbird species that's literally trapped in paradise and would die if it tried to leave? Meet Xanthus's hummingbird, nature's ultimate homebody. These tiny birds live only on Mexico's Baja Peninsula and have never been found anywhere else on Earth. While other hummingbirds would struggle in this harsh desert, Xanthus's hummingbirds thrive here. They've learned to feed on cactus flowers and desert plants that are actually toxic to their cousins. During mating season, males put on incredible aerial shows around giant carden cacti. They're not just showing off, they're claiming territory in a land where flowers are hard to find. But here's where it gets wild. On freezing desert nights, these birds basically play dead. They drop into such a deep sleep that their heart rate almost stops completely. It's the only way they can survive until morning. The most amazing part? These hummingbirds are so perfectly adapted to their desert home that moving them anywhere else would kill them. They're prisoners of their own paradise, and they wouldn't have it any other way.